This is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first step that I recommend taking is to enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Then amongst the available control panel shortcuts, find the one that says nearby share, touch and hold at its icon, and well, here is the features page. Then in order to activate it, you gotta toggle on this switch, and from here you can do some, small configurations and tweak some settings. For example, you can rename the device. You can also make your device visible or invisible respectively, as well as restrict its visibility to only your devices or your contacts, or if not necessary, you can just choose the everyone option and not restrict its visibility at all, and make it so that any device that is in the range of this feature can discover your HONOR, or well, not literally your HONOR X7A. And after that you can also change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer, and you are all set. So let's test this feature out. So I have this phone on me right now. So let me try to take a screenshot and send it through the nearby share. Here is my HONOR X7A. So I'll send the file transfer request. Then I gotta accept the transfer at the receiver's end. And once the file gets sent and received, you can just go ahead and open it. Here it is in my case. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.